Good morning, everyone. I am Krishna Priya from grade 7, and today I would like to share about SpaceX timeline. SpaceX was founded on 14 March 2002. The founder of SpaceX is Elon Musk. It is the first private company. In March 2006, SpaceX made its first Falcon 1 launch, which began successfully but ended prematurely because of the fuel leak and fire. Falcon 1 launches that failed to attain Earth orbit followed in March 2007. 3 months later, it won a NASA contract for servicing the ISS that was worth more than $1 billion. In December 2010, the company reached another milestone, become the first commercial company to release a spacecraft. In 2010, SpaceX first launched its Falcon 9, a bigger craft so named for its use of 9 engines. May 25, 2012, when it became the first commercial spacecraft to dock with the ISS, to which it successfully delivered cargo. In 2015, a Falcon 9 first stage successfully returned to Earth nearly its launch site. Beginning in 2016, SpaceX also began using drone ships for rocket and stage landings. The Falcon Heavy rocket had its first flight test in 2018. On May 30th, 2020, which SpaceX also announced the successor to the Falcon 9 and the Falcon Heavy. SpaceX sent a US satellite to orbit on February 3rd, 2022. Thank you.